Crafting a compelling introduction in a scientific literature review is crucial. It sets the stage by engaging readers and establishing academic expectations. A strong introduction guides readers through complex research landscapes, ensuring they understand the significance and context of the study. This foundation is essential for a successful and impactful review. A compelling introduction is crucial as it shapes first impressions, engaging readers, and setting academic expectations. It lays the foundation for success by guiding readers through intricate research landscapes, ensuring clarity and focus. A well-crafted introduction not only captivates but also prepares the audience for the depth of analysis that follows. The introduction justifies research questions by demonstrating their significance to the field. It establishes the importance of your topic, framing it within the broader academic conversation. This positions your review as a vital part of ongoing scholarly discourse, highlighting its relevance and contribution to the field. A scientific literature review critically examines published research by accredited scholars, offering more than just a summary. It synthesizes and analyzes evidence to reveal patterns, avoiding personal opinions. This process identifies gaps, controversies, and trends, highlighting research opportunities within the field. The introduction of a literature review sets the stage by highlighting its scientific significance within the broader research context. It defines clear boundaries, specifying what will and won't be covered, and outlines the methodology, detailing source selection and organizational approach. This ensures a focused and coherent review, guiding readers through the research landscape. A literature review introduction establishes scientific importance by situating your research within the broader landscape. It defines clear boundaries, specifying what will and won't be covered. Additionally, it outlines the methodology, detailing source selection and organizational approach, ensuring a structured and focused review. Crafting a compelling introduction involves three key components: establishing the scientific importance, defining clear boundaries, and outlining the methodology. These elements ensure your literature review is credible and focused, setting the stage for a thorough exploration of your research topic. Establishing the purpose of your review is crucial. Clearly articulate the rationale behind your research focus. Identify the problem or question your review addresses. For instance, examining climate change's impact on coral reef ecosystems can reveal adaptation strategy gaps, providing a foundation for further exploration and solutions. Our review focuses on peer-reviewed studies from 2010 to 2025, specifically examining coral bleaching in the Pacific Ocean. We exclude non-peer-reviewed sources to ensure quality and reliability. Geographic limitations are set to the Pacific Ocean to maintain a concentrated analysis, excluding other regions to avoid diluting the focus. Selection criteria include diverse source types such as journals, books, and reports. We focus on recent data, specifically from 2010 to 2025, to ensure relevance. Methodological approaches prioritize rigorous research methods and high-quality standards, ensuring the reliability and validity of the findings. Organizing your content effectively is crucial. Choose a structure type: thematic, chronological, or methodological. This decision shapes how your audience perceives and understands your argument. Clearly preview the main themes or sections to guide the reader through your narrative, ensuring clarity and engagement throughout the presentation. Effective organization in writing ensures clarity and engagement. A clear roadmap guides readers through thematic, chronological, or methodological structures, preventing confusion. This structured approach enhances understanding and maintains the reader's interest, setting the stage for precise, clear, and objective scientific communication. Precision in scientific writing ensures accuracy. Use specific terms to avoid ambiguity, like choosing correlated over related. Clarity involves simple language and logical structure, making content accessible to your academic audience. Objectivity requires focusing on evidence, letting research findings speak without personal bias. These principles enhance the credibility of scientific communication. Precision in scientific writing demands choosing exact terminology, like correlated instead of related, to avoid ambiguity. Clarity is achieved through simple language and logical structure, ensuring accessibility for your academic audience. Objectivity requires focusing on evidence, letting research findings speak without personal bias. These principles enhance the credibility of scientific communication. When writing literature reviews, synthesize information from multiple sources instead of summarizing each individually. Avoid inserting personal opinions or unsupported claims. Use chronological history only if it enhances your argument structure. This approach ensures clarity and objectivity, aligning with scientific writing standards. Effective literature review introductions set the stage by clearly defining the research problem, establishing the context, and highlighting the significance of the study. They often use real-world models to illustrate best practices, ensuring the audience understands the scope and relevance of the research. This approach engages readers and provides a solid foundation for the subsequent analysis. Exposure to traumatic events impacts over 60% of the population, highlighting a significant issue. Social workers, in particular, face elevated risks of secondary trauma. This establishes a broad problem scope, narrows focus to a specific population, and identifies a research gap, emphasizing the need for targeted studies in this area. This review examines studies from 2015 to 2025, concentrating on renewable energy adoption in urban areas. It sets clear parameters with a specific date range and geographic focus. The methodical approach includes detailed source selection and thematic organization, ensuring reader expectations are clearly defined. Begin with a hook that highlights the significance of your topic. Provide context by summarizing existing research, establishing the relevance of your study. Clearly state your research objectives, setting the stage for your literature review. This approach ensures your audience understands the importance and direction of your work. Clarifying your research question is crucial. Identify the specific issue or gap your literature review addresses. Clearly articulate this in a concise thesis statement, summarizing your central focus in one sentence. This clarity guides your review's direction and ensures your audience understands the purpose and scope of your research. Highlight the scientific relevance by showcasing recent breakthroughs and their impact on the field. Discuss social or practical applications, emphasizing how these developments address real-world challenges. Present current statistics or developments to provide a compelling narrative, engaging the audience with evidence of the topic's significance. Our review will cover recent advancements in renewable energy technologies, focusing on solar and wind power. Sources were selected based on peer-reviewed journals and industry reports to ensure credibility. We will exclude fossil fuel technologies due to their declining relevance, allowing us to concentrate on sustainable solutions. Our review is organized to guide you through a logical sequence of main sections, ensuring clarity. We prepare readers by setting expectations for argument development, creating a roadmap for navigating complex content. This structure enhances understanding and engagement, making the review accessible and informative. A strong introduction is crucial for setting the tone of your literature review. It should engage the reader, provide a clear direction, and establish the purpose of your work. Use concise language and an intentional structure to build credibility, laying a solid foundation for a compelling and memorable review. Crafting an introduction is pivotal. It engages readers, setting a clear direction. Use concise, purposeful language to build credibility. A strong introduction lays the foundation for a compelling literature review, ensuring your work is memorable and impactful. Start with confidence and clarity to captivate your audience effectively.